Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to add Google account to Microsoft Authenticator. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this successfully. So right away we're going to go over to our Google inbox. And then at the top right corner we're going to click on the gear icon. Then click on See All Settings. And then right here you're going to select the Account and Import tab. Then under Change Account Settings, you're going to click on Other Google Account Settings. Then right here on the left side, you're going to click on Security. Then under Security, you're going to scroll down to where you have How you sign into Google. As you can see, there isn't any Authenticator option right here, but at the bottom, you can see you can add more sign-in options. We're going to click on Authenticator. Then right here, you can see Authentication app, and it says first download Google Authenticator from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store. Now we're going to be using the Microsoft Authenticator. We're going to click on Set up Authenticator. And then here it says in the Google Authenticator app, tap the plus icon and choose Scan QR Code. Now, even though it says Google Authenticator app, we're going to be using our Microsoft Authenticator. We have it currently on our device, so we're going to open it. And then on our mobile device still, we're going to tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. And here we have options. Here at the bottom, you can see Other, that is Google, Facebook, or Others. We're going to tap on it. And you can see it's ready to scan the current QR code on our computer screen. We're going to move our QR scanner over here. And as you can see, our Google account has been added to our Microsoft Authenticator app. Now on your computer, you can click on Next, enter the code that is on your Google Authenticator, click on Verify, and now you can see the Authenticator app has been completely set up. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.